Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bring your characters to life using MidJourney. Whether you're a game developer or artist, character design plays a crucial role in storytelling. And with MidJourney, you can turn your imagination into reality. Stick around as we explore how to create dynamic characters that jump off the page. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's get started. It's important to have a clear understanding of your character's backstory. Think about their personality, their role in the story, and the environment they live in. For example, let's say we're designing a powerful sorceress from a dystopian future. She's mysterious, wields ancient magic, and has a distinctive appearance that reflects her world. Now that, let's say we have a concept through a prompt right here, let's turn that into a visual using MidJourney. So here it is. As I said, I got the prompt all together. Let's hit send. It takes just a few moments, but soon we'll see how MidJourney interprets these details and brings our sorceress to life. All right, here we go. Just as we see right here, here are the results right there. Here we go. Now, look at how MidJourney captured the essence of our character. As you can see, the great robes right there. See here, very magnificent. See the eerie glowing eyes and those intricate tattoos. So, yep, so each aspect brings out the mystery and power of the sorceress. Brilliant design, I must say. See? Now that we've got our character concept, it's time to dig into finer details. MidJourney gives you some amazing tools to tweak the design using these aesthetic sliders, for instance. Now, these sliders allow you to play with stylization, weirdness, and variety, making your character more unique or grounded depending on your story. So, we'll start by increasing the stylization to give her a more artistic flair, like this one. Then we could lower the weirdness slider to bring out more realistic touch in her appearance. Well, as you can see, already lowered right there. And then for variety, I guess I could give her halfway here. So, there we go. Now let's see how these changes affect the overall look. All right, see right here, have the same prompt and description. Then we'll hit enter now. Okay, so we'll let MidJourney work its magic for a moment. So you'll see that even small changes can make a big impact on the final character design. And then here we go. You can see the increased stylization has given our sorceress a more dramatic, almost mythical look. As you'll see right here. See? This one's far different from the 4 initial results from earlier. See? More ethereal. There we go. So with the increased stylization, it has given our sorceress so much more dramatic, while lowering the weirdness brings out more realistic features. Right here, like the texture of her eyes right there, her face, and the glow of her eyes. So pretty cool, right? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that we have our character looking just right, let's take things to the next level by adding some depth, like for example with background elements. By embedding your character in a detailed environment, you can give them context and bring the scene to life. Think about the world your character exists in, what's happening around them, and how does that shape who they are? So, so let's see if I could change the prompt by tweaking it a bit. So let's say I could use this one, the same, yada yada yada, then she is set in. Let's change that up even more detail, like in a futuristic apocalyptic, sorry about that, cityscape with neon lights, abandoned buildings, and a looming sky filled with hovering drones. All right, let's send this off right about now. Okay, as Midjourney generates the scene, notice how even simple details like lighting and atmosphere can drastically affect the mood and depth of the final image later on. So we'll see later on as the results would come out. And would you look at that? Take a look at this one. Now our sorceress isn't just like showing off her magical powers. See? Look at that. She is now part of a larger world right there. See? Instead of just like a blank space or whatever. See right there? There are street lights right there. See right here? Now she's more immersed in the world that I just put details into. It all adds to her story, and as you can see, it makes the design feel more alive. You can immediately tell she belongs here. This is how you take your character design to the next level by making them part of the dynamic environment. And there you have it. With Midjourney, the possibilities for character design are endless. Whether you're writing a novel or designing a video game, you can bring your characters to life in stunning detail.